of mass 5 grams, having linear momentum 0.3 kg meter per second in 5 seconds. So your options they given 0.3 meter, 300 meter, 30 meter, and 3 meter. Okay. So now you see here. What is the linear momentum formula? Linear momentum P equal to mass into velocity. Okay. So they given here momentum, right? So what is the momentum they given here? 0.3 kg meter per second. Momentum means mass into velocity. Mass we can measure in kgs. Velocity measured in meter per second. Then momentum given here 0.3 kg meter per second. Momentum indicated with the letter P. P equal to 0.3 kg meter per second. Okay, and they given time. Time value is 5 seconds. We need to find the distance traveled. Distance covered by body of mass 5 grams, and also the given mass. So mass is how much? What is the mass value? Mass equal to 5 grams. And how will you convert it to kg? You divide with 1000. So 5 by 1000 kg. How much it is? 5 by 1000 kg. And you substitute this value in this equation. So just you change this equation. Velocity equal to speed equal to distance by time. So this this mass into velocity, so you change it as displacement by or distance by time. Okay, what is the mass? Okay, what is the p? P value they given here? How much? How much?
0.3.
0.3. So 0.3 kg meter per second. What is the mass value we have here? 5 by 1000 into distance. What is the time value given? 5 seconds. So 5 get cancelled, right? By 1000 when you take it this side, it will become into 1000. So d equal to 0.3 into 1000. So how much it is? That is 3000. So 3000 you put 1 point here. So that is how much? 300 meter. The distance covered by a body of mass 5 gram is how much here? 300 meters. So which option is matching here? Answer B is matched. Water falls from a height of 60 meter. So water is falling from the height 60 meter height, right? At the rate of 15 kg per second. How much water is falling? 15 kg per second to operate a turbine. Here we have the turbine, right? So how much water is falling on this turbine? With the second 15 kg per second it is falling from the height with 60 meter, right? From to operate a turbine, the losses due to frictional force is how much here? 10% of the input energy. Then how much power is generated by the turbine? Okay, now you find the power generated by the turbine after losses of 10% of energy. Then you first find the power. Power equal to, we know that power equal to work done by unit time. So work is nothing but mgh. Work equal to mgh by time. Okay, so this we can write like this. So here given that kg per second, here mass is kg, time is second. So it is the water is falling 15 kg per second. Per second how much water is falling? 15 kg. Okay, so that is the value of dm by dt. What is the value here? Dm by dt value given here how much? 15 kg per second. And what is the height value given here? Height value is 60 meter. And what is the so height is enough, right? So this formula can I change like this? Gh you take it here, and this m by t can I write dm by dt? Dm by dt means this much of kg of 15 kg of water is falling per second. That is dm by dt means this much of mass is falling per second. In next second, next to 15 kg, next second, next to 50 kg, 15 kg. Like that, it will go on. Okay, so what is the value of g here given? G value is 10. Height value is how much? It is falling from the height 60 meters. And the dm by dt value given here 15. So this is how much here? 9000 watts. How much it is? 9000 watts. The power generated. In this power, how much power is wasted? 10% of the water is the losses due to the frictional force are how much here? 10%. Okay. So what is the 10% of 9000? 10% of 9000. How much it is? 9000 into 10 by 100. 100 cancel. 90 into 10 is how much?
900.
9,000. Okay, 900. So this 900 of watt you subtract from the 9,000. Then you can get your input energy after the loss of the 10%. Input energy. So write down your input energy is 9,000 minus 900. How much it is? 8,100. So by when you do the by 1,000, okay, by 1,000, so we can convert into kilowatts. Okay.
8.1.
Yeah. So these 2 zeros you can cut with 2 zeros. 81 by 10 is how much? 8.1 kilowatts. Okay. This is your answer. 8.1 kilowatt.
Option B.
8.1 kilowatt. Okay. Option is matching. Option B is matching. A force F equal to 20 plus 10y acts on a particle in y direction, where F is in Newton, y is in meter. Work done by this force to move the particle from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 meter. So what is the work formula? Work equal to dw equal to, so work equal to force into displacement in the y direction. From where to where? Y value 0 to y value 1. Okay. What is the force given here? Equation 20 plus 10y. How much it is? 20 plus 10y into dy. You do the integration. So y value varies from 0 to 1. Okay. Now you see, we have a formula I am doing here. So all of you please observe here. Integration of dy is equal to y. Means when you add small changes in the y, so you will get big change, total y. Okay, integration of y into dy formula is y power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This is how much? Y square by 2. Integration of y square into dy formula, can you tell? y power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the formula? Y power 3 by 3. Can you tell the integration of y power 3 formula? Y power 4 by 4. Integration of y power 5 formula? Y power 5 6 by 6. Similarly, you have to apply all these things here. So here we have the integration of y into dy. Okay. Now you see. Everyone look at here. Integration of 20 into dy. Dy. When you integrate the dy, you will get the y. So this will become 20 into dy. Integrate. When you do the integration, you will get here y. Okay. So when you do the integration of 10y. So 10 into y into dy. Y into dy when you integrate, what will you get here? Y square by 2. What will you get here? Y square by 2. Okay. So y square by 2. So next what you have to do now? This is 2 how many times? 5 times. And this will change from 0 to 1. Okay. Is it clear everyone? So now what you have to do? Final value minus initial value. Final value is 1, initial value is 0. Okay, you neglect the 0, just you substitute the 1 in the place of y. Then you will get the answer. So what is the expression we got here? 20y plus 5y square. From it value varies from 0 to 1. Y values varies from 0 to 1. So in the place of y, just you substitute the 1 here. 20 into 1 plus 5 into 1 square. How much it is? 20 plus 5, which is equal to how much? 25 joules. Here answer D is matching. Is it clear everyone?
Yes,
Okay. Consider a drop of rainwater having a mass 1 kg. So this is a drop of rainwater. So having a mass how much? 1 gram. This is a water drop weight is how much? 1 gram. So it is falling down. It is falling downward direction from the height of 1 kilometer. So what is the height of the raindrop? It is falling from 1 kilometer. So what is starting velocity of raindrop? That is, it starts from the rest means u value is 0. It is falling from the height of 1 kilometer, right? It hits the ground with a speed of 50 meter per second. Okay, so when it is hit the ground, what is the final velocity of the raindrop becomes? That is 50 meter per second. Take g is a constant with the value 10 meter per second square. We need to find the work done by the gravitational force. That is mgh you have to find out. And the work done by resistive force of the air. When raindrop is moving downward direction, air is moving upward direction. Due to this, So the movement is downward direction and the air force is in upward direction. If force and movement both are in opposite direction, then work done by resistive force by air is negative. Here we have to consider two types of work done by the gravitational force, work done by the air force. Okay, so first we need to find the work done by the gravitational force. Work done by the gravitational force. What is the formula of this? Anyone, please? Work done by gravitational force formula is mgh. mgh. What is the m value? M value is 1 gram. So change into kg. Change into kg. So this we can change into 1 by 1000. What is the g value? 10. What is the height? 1 kilometer. So change into meter. 1 kilometer, when you change into meter, it will become 1000. Yeah, 1000 get cancelled. Then what is the work done by gravity? 10 joules. Work done by the gravity is how much? 10 joules. Now we need to find work done by the resistive force. And you see total work equal to work done by gravity plus work done by resistive force, which is equal to change in kinetic energy. Use the formula work energy theorem. Work done equal to change in kinetic energy. So use the formula this to calculate the work done by resistive force. Everyone please look at here. Now how do you calculate the work done by the resistive force? Now you see total work is equal to change in kinetic energy. Is it clear, everyone? Total work equal to change in kinetic energy. Here two works are rain, on the raindrop. Two works are acting. So one is work done by gravity. One is work done by other one is work done by air resistive force. What are the two works? Work done by gravity plus work done by resistive force, which is equal to change in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Kf minus Ki. Now already you know that. What is the initial velocity? If initial velocity is 0, the initial kinetic energy also 0. So this is 0. Then final kinetic energy will become half mv square. Work done by gravity, how much we got here? How much we got here? 10 joules. Then we need to find the work done by resistive force. Okay, so 10 plus work done by resistive force equal to half into what is the mass? Mass is 1 by 1000. So it is falling with the velocity. Final velocity of the rainwater becomes how much here? 50 meter per second. V square is there into 50 into 50. Okay, you do like this. Now you see here 0, 2 zeros, here 2 zeros get cancelled, right? So 5 into 5 is how much? 25. So this 5 and this 10. 5 1 is 5, 2 is. Right here 5 by 4 will come. Now I am doing here 10 plus WR equal to 5 by 4. Can I write like this? Is it 5 by 4 or not? Yes or no? 5 by 4 value is how much? 4 how many times? 4 1 is 4. Right? 10, 4 2 is 8. 4 5 is 20. Okay. 5 by 4 value is 1.25. 10 plus work done by resistive force by A, which is equal to, so work done by resistive force, this plus 10 when you take it this side, it will become minus 10. 1.25 minus 10, how much it is? That is equal to minus 8.75 joules. What this negative sign indicates? Raindrop is moving downward direction, air is moving upward direction. Here distance is downward direction, force is upward direction. If both are in opposite direction, what type of work it is? Negative one. Okay. Then work done by resistive force is minus 8.75. Work done by gravity is 10 joules. 10 joules and minus 8.75. Where it is matching? Here option C is matching. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Right.